All right. So I removed the oil pan. They come off pretty easy. They use this Phillips head screw. Didn't have any issues. This oil pan has a pretty substantial windage tray in it, or a baffle. I'm not sure what that's all about. They must have had an issue. I removed the number 4 rod cap. The rod caps and the main bearing caps all have a secondary lock nut that goes on, made out of tin. The bearings are in really good shape. It hasn't worn through the babbitt or anything. I don't see any damage on this number 4 journal. So I would think internally the engine is in good shape. Look at the size of the counterbalances on this. Never seen anything like that. And they're all perfectly aligned. There's no offset on the journal balances. So I think now I'm just going to reassemble it and set it to the side for the Aerojet engines when I tear those down, in case there's anything I need to cannibalize off of this engine. Okay, that's it.